In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in ClickUp. This will help you keep your tasks organized and efficiently categorized, making your workflow much smoother. Let's dive right into the process of setting this up in ClickUp. First up, to create tags in ClickUp, we need to enable the Tags Click app. This is a crucial step because tags require this Click app to be turned on by either a workspace owner or an admin. So, what you'll need to do is head to the bottom left corner of your screen. There, you'll see your workspace avatar. Click on it. A menu will pop up, and from there, you're going to select Click Apps. Once you're in, choose All Click Apps. It's here you'll find the Tags option. Go ahead and toggle it on. If you like, you can enable it for specific spaces within your workspace, tailoring this feature to suit your needs. This setup is particularly helpful for larger teams where different spaces may require different organizational methods. Now that we've got the Tags Click app activated, we're ready to move on to creating new tags on a task. Begin by opening up the task details of the specific task you'd like to tag. You'll see a field labeled Tags. Click on this field, and then you can start typing in the name of your desired tag. Once you've typed the name of the tag you want to use, simply press Enter. This action will create your tag and automatically apply it to the task you're working on. It's a neat and intuitive process that allows you to swiftly categorize tasks. One thing to keep in mind is that tags are space-specific. This means that any tags you create in one space won't automatically show up in another. This allows for a level of customization and specificity, making sure that tags are relevant to the context they're applied in. It's tailored organization at its finest, making sure that each space remains relevant and uncluttered with unrelated tags. And there you have it. You've successfully created tags in ClickUp, greatly enhancing your ability to manage and keep track of tasks. By organizing tasks into categories that make sense to you and your team, you're better equipped to handle workload effectively, prioritize projects, and even make searching for items faster and easier. Tags in ClickUp are a simple but powerful tool that, once set up, can make a big difference in your day-to-day productivity. I hope you found this explanation clear and helpful. By following these steps, you will master the art of using tags in ClickUp. Be sure to experiment with different tagging strategies to see what works best for you and your workspace. Thank you for watching, and happy